So now what we're doing is we're showing you guys a full drill video series here for our playlist too. So if you guys aren't already checking out the playlist, go check out the playlist. Okay, we'll put a link in the description. Okay, what we're gonna do is we're gonna show full-length drills here with no explanation, and then we're gonna get right through it too. What this is gonna help you do is build the muscle memory that you really need. And if you guys haven't already checked out earlier episodes, make sure you check those out before this. Okay, and without further ado, we'll get started.
If you like the technique we go over today, don't forget to subscribe, share or like.
Yeah, and if you guys have any questions on the techniques we already showed or requests on leg lock related techniques in the future, leave it in the comment section below. And if you want to follow us or our channel on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, anything like that, we'll make sure we'll post links in the description. And don't forget, keep drilling.